And you know I'm in the studio just making hits. Never gonna quit, but I already know I'm lifting shit. Pass, puff around, gotta get a pound. Rolling on this shit, fight night another round. And you know I did this shit, I'm in the building. Riding on this shit, I gotta smoke just like a feeling. Chillin', doing this shit, gotta get the throne. Killing every other nigga, popping, killing Al Capone. And you know I'm in my zone, killing like I'm Call of Duty prone. Niggas know I got it, but I'ma leave the super loam. Yeah, I told you for real, it's a freestyle. On this shit and I've been hearing shit running around. Being a buy, gotta kill it, gotta get them out. Doing it every time, I gotta fucking freestyle. Yeah, up and I've been hitting them lines. Coming in prime time, but you niggas know that I rhyme. And I told them that I'm packing them nines. For real, nigga, come and check me, cause I'm on my grind. Killing on the record, niggas already know that I've been up and I did it. Rapping every other time that I'm up in this shit, and you know that I spit it. Gotta be up on the go, niggas already know that I gotta come and kill it every time I'm on road. Gotta be up and I'm doing this shit, you already knew that it was my own show. Yeah, told them that I'm chilling in the building. Rapping every other time, but you know that I kill it. So smooth, seductive with no creams. Gotta get this shit, but I'ma yell it till you fucking scream.